Hello and welcome back to another video. So we've got a night booked away in the New Forest. Unfortunately, we're not staying in Trisha the Transit. We've actually got a hotel for tonight. Yeah, boy. But we're going to go out for a ride on the mountain bikes around the New Forest, do a bit of exploring and show you what it's all about. So we did try and rent Sarah an e-bike. Instead, she's going to be on her trusty red Rocket because they'd already sold out. But we've got a little... we're in Burley, I think it is, and we've bought these like forest leisure centre maps. Sarah's just deciding what one she wants to nail for today's ride.
This one says look out for deer and pigs.
A bit of deciding to do, and then we're going to hit whatever route or trail we decide on. Sarah's decided on the deer sanctuary route.
Because it says there's ice creams available at the halfway point.
Ice creams at halfway point, that's her decision made on the route.
So
there it is.
I need to go there.
And we are off. Oh, little bit of traffic trouble here. Cool, he's ready to kick. He's ready to... No e-bike needed here. The Rocket is back on it. Little pit stop number one. She needs a banana already. We just sat by this little lake with the bikes. Or, well, there is a bench over there, but I thought it'd be nicer to sit here on the floor.
Yeah, okay.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now.
How's it going, Sarah?
Not very good.
Just come up there on the camera. That
looks dead flat.
That does look dead flat, but it is quite a steep hill all the way up. She's blown up. Here she is, Sarah the Rocket, making light work of this climb. Got a problem with your bike? Yeah. It's not an e-bike. Been getting smashed by people on e-bikes.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now.
She has officially blown up and she's even ran out of gears. She's like, I'm pressing, nothing's happening. God, last little bit and then we're going to stop for lunch. And we made it to the picnic stop, only just. I've never seen her go for a roll so quick in her life. Look at this cycling athlete going for a tub of Pringles. I've just had my chicken sausages for my clean eating. She's smashing the Pringles. Are you in survival mode?
No, like nothing in the tank. Need to top it up with Pringles.
Empty tanks and refueling with Pringles. Quick. Look at her go. We have made it. Sarah's never been so excited to see Trisha the Transit. 2 hours and 11 minutes. That is Sarah's longest ride yet. Look how happy she is about that.
About like 6 hours.
And we have made it to our hotel room for the night. I think Sarah is officially done. This is her for the rest of the evening probably. She just said to me she's ready to go to bed and we're currently at 3:05. That's the afternoon complete. Mountain bike XC about to go down. Sarah's got her crunchy rocks and she weren't wrong. We are probably going to stay here. We're both knackered after that bike ride. So finally managed to get ourselves off the bed after about 3 hours of laying there watching the cycling and YouTube and general rubbish. Wicked day today. We're going to head out now, get some food, but it's wicked to explore the New Forest, and it's only like an hour away from us. I know we're staying in the hotel tonight, but we've said we're going to come down. Hopefully we can get Sarah an e-bike next time so she can cut about like a champion. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.